Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TOZO PA2 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not pairing with Bluetooth or not syncing or connecting to your phone or other device, keeps disconnecting, has any issues like this, etc., a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you do decide that this speaker is irretrievably broken and you need to replace it, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a 5-star, similar, well-priced speaker. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete all the pairing history for whatever reason and get a fresh start on this speaker. It's quite easy to do. All we need to do is, on this speaker to do this is we're just going to come in and we're going to find the plus and the minus buttons, otherwise known as the volume up and volume down buttons. And we're just going to press and hold both of these buttons for a full 10 seconds. And after a full 10-second button push on both of these buttons simultaneously, the speaker will reset to its factory default settings, and we can go ahead and set it up like we're setting it up for the first time.